Hello and welcome to Tracy Creates Dishes. Let's make some ANZAC biscuits. This recipe is super simple and very Moorish. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, sift 1 cup of plain flour. Add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, followed by 1 cup of rolled oats, and lastly half a cup of granulated sugar. Stir dry ingredients to combine. Set aside. Melt 140 grams of butter. Add 1.5 tablespoons of golden syrup to the hot butter. Stir. Turn off the heat. In a small bowl, place 1.5 teaspoons of bicarbonate soda. Add 2.5 tablespoons of boiling water. Mix well. Place the slurry of bicarbonate soda and boiling water in the melted butter and golden syrup. Continue stirring while the wet ingredients are foaming. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl that contains the dry ingredients. Gently stir the ANZAC biscuit dough. When the ANZAC biscuit dough has combined well, it's time to roll into balls. Place 1 heaped tablespoon of mixture into the palm of your hand and squish it to form a ball. Place the ANZAC biscuit balls onto a lined baking tray. With the palm of your hand, gently press down each biscuit. Now place the biscuits in your preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. When the ANZAC biscuits are cooked, they are soft in the centre and golden brown on the edges. ANZAC biscuits are soft and chewy while warm and harden over time. This recipe yields 30 biscuits. Subscribe, like, and also comment below what your favourite biscuit or cookie is. Thanks for watching.